Hey peeps, hope everybody's well. Okay, so day 52 of salads, day 2 of salads from around the world. Today we are doing Thai. And as anything, you can kind of make most dishes into a salad anyway. So I'm doing a Thai inspired salad, which is basically going to be a Thai salad dressing of rice wine vinegar, peanut butter, soy sauce, chili flakes, and some peanuts, which I'm going to crush up, put it all together. The salad is going to be a little bit of a fruity salad, so there's going to be a mango and some limes. We're going to chop up a little piece of garlic quite thinly, very small bit of a little bit of red onion and red pepper on top. I think that's it. I will check right now. Hold on a second. That is it, on top of a bed of lettuce and some spinach. Let's get to it.